paper. More money, all is paper. Solve all the problems later. They say more money than more problems. I want all the paper. The problems come along regardless. What's on problems? Paper.
Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy DJ, and I'm back with it. I messed up. On phone no man, don't see no man. Now I'm back with it. I'm back with another one. How the fuck up? Mess up my own intro, man. That's crazy on phone no man, but Tay-K just came out with some heat. You know he in jail, man, but they still releasing heat from Shorty, man. I messed with Tay-K. You gotta free the man, folks. Gotta free the man. Them phone done release the man and let him free, man. Just came out with a new song called Crunch Time. Tay-K been dropping some heat. I know he been having a little beef with Don Mill, but both of them going crazy, you feel me? But both of them been going crazy. So let's get straight to the music, man. Let's get to it, man. Okay, the beat starting off good.
Track one. I be smoking kush with my motherfucking boat. If a nigga wants to work, he could hit me up.
Double cup. Ain't nothing in it though.
Cause I do this shit alone. Give a fuck about a clock. Cause I do things how I want. On my tongue, on my girl, and no bitches.
Hey!
I put my toe ass in wet.
Okay.
See your bitch ass mine. And you whooping for me, nigga.
Hey, this beat go crazy. Hey, this beat.
Bling, 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 bling.
Sleep aid can also be used for anxiety. The recreational uses for the drug are similar to prescribed uses. People rely on alprazolam to help with their sleep or anxiety, and it can also be used to reduce anxiety.
Hey, this go crazy. You gotta get out, folks. I'm talking about make. If you wanna make, you gotta get out of jail. On everything, on 4 grade, man. Let's get it. Gee. I gotta replay it. For the lyrics, you know, I like to sing the lyrics with you, but I ain't know the lyrics because he ain't had no chorus. He was just going with the flow. Shorty went, the beat go crazy. The beat go absolute crazy. Tay-K did his thing, you know, he went with the beat. The beat go crazy, man. The beat go real crazy. And like I said, when the beat go crazy, you know, I like to do my own little thing and go ahead and make a little remix version of that mug. Crunch Time by Chris Travis. Like my own, can't talk right now, man. I just tried to say the word, but I can't talk. Make my own freestyle to it. Let's get it, man. Like and subscribe. Oh. Yeah.
Track one.
Got your girl calling my name, calling me babe. Girl, I don't even know your name. Why are you screaming back? Driving in the phone, I'm going so fast. I don't care what you say, I'm never gonna die. Everybody know that's my name, Nash. I don't get in cash, what you say. I don't even like young girls. cause I like them cougars. Better watch your mama. Ain't tryna start no drama. I'm just going crazy. You just out there lazy. While you sleep, your girl on my meat. I'm going fast in the car. You driving so slow. I don't even know why you behind me, but I just know that I know. And I don't know what I just said, but I'm going on with this beat. I don't care what y'all gotta say, cause you know I'm on my feet. 10 toes down and I'm on it. You always throwing it. I don't know what I just said, but just know that I'm going. Rapping on this beat, and I get better by the second. Talk a lot of stuff, I'ma up that weapon. And I'm done. Like and subscribe, share if you new. You already know how I do. I post every day in the stool. Everybody know that's how I rock, but I'm gone. On for the man and I'm out. Peace, DJ out and then peace, peace.